Good morning, class. Let us solve the exercise 3.6, question number 1, first part. The question it is 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2 and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. We know the standard form, it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So let us try to convert this equation in the standard form. How to convert it? Put 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So if you put 1 upon x is equal to a, that means 1 upon 2x becomes 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x, and 1 upon x, in place of 1 upon x we can write a. So this becomes as a upon 2. Students, just pay attention, because maximum of the students, after converting it, they write it as 1 upon 2a. They write a in the denominator. A will not be in the denominator. It will be in the numerator and it will be a upon 2. Similarly, 1 upon 3y means 1 upon 3 into 1 upon y. And what is 1 upon y? It is b. So we can write it as b upon 3. Don't write b in the denominator. Don't write 1 upon 3b. So equation becomes as a upon 2 plus b upon 3 is equal to 2. Still it is not in the standard form. Let us convert it by taking LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3, it is 6. This 3 will be multiplied by a. This 2 will be multiplied by b. So 3a plus 2b upon 6 is equal to 2. Cross multiply. 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. This will be your equation number 3. Similarly, convert the next equation, 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. So this becomes as a upon 3 plus b upon 2. 1 upon 2y means 1 upon 2 into 1 upon y. So this becomes b upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. Now take LCM. LCM will be 6. 2 multiplied by a, 3 multiplied b will give you 2a plus 3b upon 6 is equal to 13 upon 6. Now class, I will not suggest you to cross multiply it. Reason, this is whole upon 6 here, whole upon 6 here. Just cancel it at this place only, because if you will cross multiply it and then solving it, calculation becomes difficult. So cancel here. We get the next equation as 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Name it as equation number 4. What was the equation number 3? 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. Now you can see both the equations are in standard form. Ax plus by is equal to constant. Ax plus by is equal to constant. If you check the coefficient of a, it is 2. Coefficient of a, it is 3. It is not equal. Here b coefficient 3, b coefficient 2 not equal. So we cannot start the question. I have to equate the coefficient. So let us multiply the first equation by 3 and second equation by 2. If I multiply by 3, 3 2s are 6a, 3 3s are 9b, 13 3s are 39. Do not forget to multiply in 13. Normally students multiply on the left hand side, they forget to multiply on the right hand side. So 13 3s are 39. Similarly, 2 into 3a 6a, 2 into 2b 4b, and 2 into 12 it is 24. Well, now here plus 6a, here also plus 6a. If I add the equation becomes 12 of a plus 13 of b. So your aim is to eliminate one variable, and on adding, variable will not be eliminated. So let us subtract it. Subtract means change the sign. What is the sign here? It is the sign plus. So it becomes minus. What is the sign? Plus, it becomes minus. Plus becomes minus. Now 6a minus 6a, it will cancel. 9b minus 4b, it will be 5b, and 39 minus 24 is equal to 15. After changing the sign, you have to see this sign, not the plus sign, minus sign you have to check it. So 5b is equal to 15. So b will be equal to 15 upon 5 means 3. Now b is 3. What was the b? B was 1 upon y is equal to b. That means your y will be equal to 1 upon 3. Are you clear for this? If you are getting b is equal to 3, that means y will be equal to 1 upon 3. Now substitute b is equal to 3 in equation number 4. If you put in 4, you will be getting 2a plus 3 into 3, that is 9, is equal to 13. 2a is equal to 4. That means a will be equal to 4 upon 2, that is 2. Now what was the a? A was 1 upon x is equal to a. So just reciprocal of it, you will be getting x is equal to 1 upon 2. So finally you got the answer as x is equal to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to 1 upon 3. Hope you are clear for this answer. So that was your question number 1, first part. In the same way, we will be solving question number 1, second part. Now 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2. Put 1 upon root x is equal to a and 1 upon root y is equal to b. So if you change the equation, it becomes 2a. As I explained you earlier, 2 upon root x means 2 into 1 upon root x. And for 1 by root x, you can write a. So this is 2a plus 3b. Don't write a and b in denominator. It will be in the numerator, is equal to 2. And here 4 of a minus 9 of b is equal to minus 1. Coefficient of a is 2, a is 4. It is not equal. Coefficient of b is 3. Coefficient of b is minus 9, not equal. So we have to multiply with some number to equate the coefficient. हमें किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा कोफिशिएंट इक्वल करने के लिए. I can multiply this equation by 2, so it becomes 4a and 4a. But both will be positive sign, then we have to subtract it. It will be always better to add the equation. So let us multiply by 3. So this becomes 9b and here it is minus 9b. So on adding it get cancelled. So let us multiply by 3. So 3 into 2a is 6a plus 9 of b is equal to 6. Second equation write as it is. 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Name this equation as 3 and name it as 4. On adding, we are adding. Why we are adding? Because here it is plus sign, here it is minus sign. Whenever you have plus sign and minus sign, add it. When both the signs are same, subtract it. बहुत सारे बच्चों को नहीं समझ में आता है कब ऐड करना है और कब सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. जब एक साइन प्लस हो और एक माइनस हो, then we should add it. If both the sign are same, then we should subtract it. Now on adding, 6 plus 4 means 10. 10a, 6 minus 1, it is 5. So a will be equal to 5 upon 10, that is half. What was a? A was 1 by root x. A was 1 by root x. So put 1 by root x is equal to half. Cross multiply. Root x is equal to 2. Your aim is to find x, not root x. So to find x means you have to square it. And you know square of root x is equal to x. Square of 2 it is 4. So x is equal to 4. Now put the value of a. I can put value of x also. Well, so I can put value of a also. Let us put the value of a in equation 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. So this becomes 2 into half. Value of a is half. 2 cancel with 2. Plus 3b is equal to 2. Now this after solving it you get it as 1. It will not be 0. It will be 1. 1 plus 3b is equal to 2. So 3b will be equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. and b will be equal to 1 upon 3. Now put b is equal to 1 upon 3. That means 1 upon root y is equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiply, root y is equal to 3. And on squaring, we get y is equal to 9. So your final answer is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. We should always write x and y at the end at one place. आप सिर्फ इसी स्टेप पे मत छोड़िए, फाइनल आंसर एक साथ लास्ट में लिखना चाहिए. So x is 4, y is equal to 9 as the required equation is the solution of required question. Thank you.